Hi students, I am Priyanka Jain and I am a verified educator at the Unacademy Plus platform. You can watch several of my Plus classes. Okay, I have soon started a Catalyst batch course for the whole inorganic chemistry. You will see whole the inorganic chemistry in this course, and this is for the upcoming June 2022 exam of the CSIR NET as well as for the GATE exam. Okay, so if you want to see different of the my lectures, different courses, you can see on the Unacademy. Take the subscription of the Unacademy. And if you want to see the free classes, there are also several free classes. Every month I take several free classes. You can watch these free classes without taking subscription. So for this, you will have to uncode my code. My code is Priyanka Jain 10. By clicking on this code, you will get the link for my classes. Thank you. Hi students, welcome in chemistry classes. I am Priyanka Jain and you are watching here the questions from CSIR NET 2022. Okay, this question is basically from February 2022's question paper. See here, the question is based on the basic concepts of mole concept. Okay, general basic thing. Okay, see here, what is the question? The volume of nitrogen gas absorbed at STP to form monolayer on a porous solid surface is 22.4 centimeter cube per gram. If the area occupied by one nitrogen gas molecule is 16.2 angstrom square, then the surface area in centimeter square per gram of solid is close to. Okay, so we have given that the volume of the nitrogen gas absorbed at STP to form monolayer is 22.4 centimeter cube per gram. It means by 1 gram of the gas, 22.4 centimeter cube space is occupied. Okay, we know one thing. We know about the Avogadro concept, and from where we know that 22,400 centimeter cube volume is occupied by 1 mole. Okay, 1 mole of the gas occupies this volume 22,400 centimeter cube. Okay, now we have given the volume is 22.4 centimeter cube. This volume is being occupied, so this will be occupied by 1 divided by 22,400 into 22.4. It means if you are calculating this one, you are getting 10 to power minus 3 moles of nitrogen. Okay, this number you are getting, it means such a number 10 to power minus 3 moles of nitrogen are being absorbed, okay, on the solid surface, right? Now we have to find out the surface area of solid. If the area occupied by one nitrogen gas is 16.2 angstrom square, it means 16.2 angstrom square. This is given to us. This is the area occupied by the one nitrogen molecule. So you can convert it to the centimeter. Okay, so this is 16.2 angstrom square. So you are getting 16.2 into 10 to power minus 8 whole square. Okay, this will be in the centimeter square. This is the area occupied by one molecule. Okay, so first thing we have to find out the number of molecules. Okay, we will have to find out the number of molecules. So we have given 10 to power minus 3 moles, so we can find out this thing because we know that the 1 mole has 6.02 into 10 to power 23 molecules. This is the Avogadro number, so you can calculate it in the 10 to power minus 3 moles. So this will be equal to 6.02 into 10 to power 23 into 10 to power minus 3. This number. Okay. Now area of this, these are the number of molecules. These are the molecules you are getting that as being absorbed. Okay. So now you can get 6.02 into 10 to power 23 into 10 to power minus 3 molecules will occupy the area that will be equal to, just you have to multiply by this. Okay, so you are getting 6.02 into 10 to power 23 into 10 to power minus 3, and then just you have to multiply it with 16.2 into 10 to power minus 8 whole square. Okay, now you have calculator in your hand. Okay, in the exam you have provided the calculator, so there is nothing to worry. Just you have to calculate the answer. 9.78 into 10 to power 5. This will be in centimeter square per gram. Okay, when you are writing here the units, you will get your unit also, centimeter square per gram. So this is your answer. Now you can match option number B. See here, 9.8 into 10 to power 5. This is your answer. Okay, so in this way you have to do the question. If you find any difficulty in such type of questions that are based on the mole concept and likewise things, then you can see our lectures. I have already made some videos on the basics of the mole concept etc. So you can see that videos. I will give you the link here. And if you are liking these videos that I am providing you for the solutions, then please comment us and please like and share these videos. Thank you.